Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Earth Vivid. I'm your host, Rachel, and today we're diving into the hidden gems of Milan. You know the drill: the Duomo, Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, fashion shows. But what if I told you Milan is more than just its famous hotspots? Join me as I challenge myself to uncover the city's best-kept secrets in just one day. We all know Milan's reputation as Italy's fashion capital. From the iconic Duomo to high-end shopping at Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, it's easy to see why people flock here. But I'm here to tell you that Milan is way more than a designer bag and an Insta-worthy cathedral. Oh, and before I forget, Milan is a hotspot for celebrity sightings. From fashion icons to Hollywood A-listers, you never know who you'll bump into while grabbing a coffee at the iconic Caffè Cova or strolling through the Quadrilatero della Moda. During Milan Fashion Week, the city turns into a playground for supermodels, designers, and celebs, making it the perfect place to do some serious people watching. Keep your eyes peeled. You might just spot your favorite star shopping or sipping an espresso. Sure, you can't visit Milan without stopping by the legendary Duomo di Milano. This architectural marvel took nearly 6 centuries to complete and is absolutely stunning. But what if we venture just a little further? Let's move over to Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, Italy's oldest shopping mall and a masterpiece of glass and iron. It's more than a place to grab a cappuccino or window shop at Prada. It's an experience in itself. Walk through this gallery and soak in the grandeur. It's like stepping back in time to Milan's golden age. But here's where things get interesting: the hidden gems. If you thought Milan was just a tourist magnet, think again. There's so much more beneath the surface, and I'm going to show you a side of the city that even some locals might not know. So, while you're in the heart of Milan, don't miss Castello Sforzesco. This medieval fortress is packed with museums and surrounded by lush gardens. It's an underrated spot where you can explore centuries of Milanese history in peace, away from the bustling crowds. And for all the art lovers, Pinacoteca di Brera is an absolute must. Sure, it's one of the city's most famous galleries, but it's often overshadowed by other Milanese attractions. You can find works by Raphael and Caravaggio here, and it's a hidden oasis for anyone looking to dive into Italy's art scene. Before I continue, if you're loving the insider tips so far, hit that like button to show some love for these travel gems. Next, let's talk about Navigli, Milan's Canal District. This isn't just some touristy hangout. It's the place where locals come to relax. With charming restaurants, cute vintage shops, and a killer nightlife scene, Navigli is the perfect spot to grab an aperitivo and watch the sunset over the canals. Finally, don't leave Milan without visiting Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses. Even if you're not into opera, the history and grandeur of this place will blow you away. Trust me, you'll want to snap a pic inside this legendary venue. So there you have it. Milan's not just about high fashion and iconic landmarks. It's a city with layers. And whether you're exploring its historic heart or chilling in its trendiest neighborhoods, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through Milan. If you've got a favorite spot in the city or have any travel tips, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Catch you in the next one.